sister and brother-in-law were cleaning out their outside a couple months ago of their house. She had some succulents in here, planted in here. It's it's really heavy, made of, I don't know, not concrete. It broke right here, but that's okay. It adds character. It's on a pedestal. The top comes off, sets on. We are going to make a fountain out of this. Good afternoon, YouTube family. It is after 1 o'clock. Leon and I are about to jump in the truck and head to Lowe's. Waiting on Leon right now. He's walking back from the shop. We have quite a lot going on today. We have many projects. We want to paint the sunroom in the back. I'll show you. It's got good wood on it and everything, but we want to get it painted. And also, I want to paint the back deck. I have some wicker furniture that I'm going to put back on the back deck, and I also want to paint it. So we have a lot going on. We thought we'd film a little bit of our Monday with you guys and take you along to Lowe's with us. We hope everyone is enjoying their day, and I'm so sorry I keep looking off the camera, but I get so quite distracted. We have dogs and horses and all running around. Honey right there getting in the truck. Hey, honey.
Hey, my love.
Tell our YouTube family, hey.
Hi, everyone.
Look at the tree. Oh my, look at all that, love.
Are they gonna show it? Oh.
Definitely don't, do they? Wow. We still have a lot of vegetables. We're not getting any, but I want to look at the basil. Look at these bell peppers. They're already blooming. 1998 though. Good night. Yeah. Wow. Yep, ours will be like this soon. Look how pretty. Okay, I got these and I'm going to show you why when we get home. Here is the container fountain pump that we're getting to make that, to make the water fountain out of that sink. Okay, you guys, we are inside of those. We're getting some paint for the back deck and for the sunroom. But I need to go. This is what we lined Maya's floor with, these rolls. That is a little too yellow. So that's too yellow, I think. I don't know. What do you think? It's so hard picking out paint. But see, our house is like, maybe like this, love. Something like this. Our house is, it's got a little bit of yellow in it, but not a lot. Okay, so we're going to get, oh, I like the name of it. Coconut Scent. So I guess that's the color we're going to get for the sunroom. And we're going to get a trim, a white trim, you said? Yeah. Okay. And I already have the gray paint to paint the back deck. I already have it. Leon's going to get the white trim and some stuff. I'm going to run over here because I want to look at a light real quick. Oh, that's kind of empty. I remember these poppets. You can throw them on the concrete and they pop. Oh yeah, we got to get some of these. If you want something done right, do it yourself. Fireworks, flip-flops, and freedom. That's a shirt. So cute. Okay, so I need a little light in the kitchen to keep on at all times. Y'all, look how they hardly have any lights. The desk would be cute. Okay, so these are reasonable. It's just the hanging. It's a touch lamp. You touch it, it's $32.95. Allen Roth, and there's only one left. So yay!
Got a gallon.
You got a gallon?
$27.
That's not bad. Okay.
It's $36 for the other color. Okay,
so we got our paint in there. Leon got all the essentials. This is gonna go for the fountain. So this is for the sink fountain that we're making. $40 to make the fountain. So So anyway, let me show you what I got. Leon had to run back inside just for a few minutes. This is a, I don't know if y'all know what this is. It's a power wash Dawn spray bottle, and you can reuse the bottle. So I got one of these. A lady was just telling me that they work wonderful. Mm-hmm.
I have some, but I don't know what I used mine for. Cleaning something.
Mm-hmm. So I got these 11 by 17 inch 12 piece. It's soft cleaning rags. Really neat. They had a pack that was already open. And then of course I got some Old English, and I'll show you what I do with that. These were $10 and something for 3 disinfected Clorox containers. Leon had to run back up into Lowe's, and so while he ran back up into Lowe's, I met some sweet ladies, and we just got to talking. And I hardly ever tell anybody about our YouTube channel, and so but I went to tell them about our YouTube channel because we were all talking about prepping. So they said that they were going to check it out. So hopefully they'll get on there and like us and subscribe, because the more the merrier in our family. It can never be too big. What happened?
That's my rear tire.
How'd that happen?
I don't know.
Leon just noticed his rear tire was... Did you run over something?
I haven't run over nothing.
You just noticed it?
I just noticed that.
That he said when it rains it pours. So I wish I would have took a video. Walmart gas is $4.09 today, you guys. Y'all all know Leon and I. We ain't gonna lie to y'all. $4.09. I've never seen it $4.09 at Walmart where we live. Never. Okay, so it's $4.09 at the Shell as well. $4.09. And Walmart is $4.09 too. Okay, so this is where Susan works at this snowball stand. The gas here, it's called Northside. Just right outside the city, not far at all. Gas here is $4.39. So Leon is getting a cherry snowball, and I am getting a bubble gum. Okay, here is my bubble gum with cream. Yummy, yummy. Alright, so we're back home, and here is all of our stuff. We've already missed... Well, Leon, you still have to drink your snowball, babe. I got mine almost drank, and Leon is starting on the pump on the sink. I wanted to show y'all this little brown thing right here. Used to have a swing on it. I had Leon put it... This is a bird bath. It's been here for a long time. I put water in it for the birds. This is where I hung those plants that we bought from Lowe's. Leon picked them out, actually. This is a porcelain. It's porcelain. Trailing annual. So this is what it looks like. It's going to be very pretty. And they can take 6 hours of sun a day. And then this one is very pretty. It's got all kind of colors. Leon loved all of the colors in here, I guess, for Memorial Day. And it is Easy Wave Cyrus petunias. These are petunias. They were $15.98. And also 6 hours of sun. Isn't that pretty? So the birds, all the birds come down here to drink water. I planted those 2 plants right there several years ago. And so that's what this area is looking like. There's our driveway right there. So I thought that was cute. Leon is working on the sink pedestal fountain. And he came up with the idea of getting this planter, which holds water. It does not have holes at the bottom. We put the pedestal in there. Here is the sink, and here is the pump that's going to pump the water. It's going to be perfect. And then there's all his parts. So
in there. See?
So the pump fits right behind the pedestal.
In the water.
In the water. He is working on that. This is poppets, old-fashioned poppets. I'm going to open up a box. I think, let's find out how many's in there. Okay, I've made quite a mess, but there is 5 bags. And you see those little white things in there? Hey, is that, what is in there? Gunpowder or something? Not gunpowder, but... So here's what it looks like. It's just these wrapped up little, there's little rocks in there with, I guess, a little gunpowder. I'm not sure. But if you throw it on the ground, it pops. Okay, so when we were little, I got 2 fell on the ground. When we were growing up, we just put it in our fingers and popped it. So here it goes. So that's what's on the inside. Just little bitty rocks. Let me do it again. Our cousins used to put it in their mouth. So here we go. You just twist it around. Well, that one didn't work. Let's try another one. You just twist it around in your fingers. I do not advise you to do this at home. It doesn't hurt, but... See there? Cool. And one more time. Love it. Hey you guys, I'm in the house. Leon had to run to the shop and get some tools for the thing. So here's the light. I'm going to show you what it looks like, what it does, and where I'm going to put it. Okay. So here is the base, and here is the globe. I'm going to try this one. Like I said, if you touch this, it has 3 different settings. So there's the fountain that I bought, and here's the light. It's by the dehydrator and my little shopping cart. So here we go. So there it goes. You just touch it. That's for nighttime when we come in here to get a drink of water. And when I turn all the lights out here, even during the day, it is dark. So I just needed a lamp there. I used to have a lamp here, but it was too tall and it got this little hot. So I think that will work. Perfect. Okay, let's go see. He cut these handles off of what?
It's an old one of the faucets we had back there.
Oh, he got some handles. Okay, cool. Houston, we have a problem. Alright, Leon had to go back to the store to get another fitting. So I'm going to bring y'all in Maya's room, or not in Maya's room, but hold on, let me put her stuff in there, because I want to show y'all what that Dawn thing does, but when we get back in the kitchen. But I needed a new one of these, and this is her paper. So, you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi, baby? You want to say hi? She was outside today, and say hi, baby. Say hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Tell everybody hi. So this is the old thing, and I kept taping it, so it is very well used. I'll probably keep the little broom, but throw the dustpan away. Alright, so right there, and the new dustpan right there, so she can look at it and get familiar with it. Hi, baby. Mama. 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 Basil. I put a basil right there. Okay, so River's training right now. We just want to thank y'all for joining us today. Thank you, honey, for my fountain. You did a wonderful job. It turned out so good. So tomorrow we will start on some more projects, painting the sunroom and redoing the back deck, decorating it, painting it, and all of that. We love you guys, and we hope you have a wonderful night. And until next time, we will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.